Hi. Welcome to my channel. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and updates. Before we post the video, our research team have working on every perspective of this supplement. Hence you can trust us and we provide 100% honest reviews to you. Please watch this video completely, we have special surprise to you. This is a new male enhancement formula in the market. And our team researched the product website and the product creator. This website is looking good. There is no fake or false informations on that. And we have done the more research about the creator of the supplement. And this product is created by the well-known and certified company. We have done for more research of this product formula. And we came to know, this product made unique formula and safe too. This male enhancement product created with 100% natural ingredients. This male enhancement supplement formulated with specially selected ingredients, that when combined go to work for you to recharge your libido and amplify your sexual performance. This supplement was designed to help you take back your youthful virility. And, above all, fuel your ability to satisfy the woman in your life with intense and heightened pleasure for the both of you. There is no artificial and chemical added. Hence there no side effect to consume this male enhancement supplement. And the most important question is, who can take this supplement? And it's safe. This supplement who can take above 18 years old. And yes, this supplement is safe and made with 100% natural ingredients. And another important question is, how many capsules you can take per day? As per the creator of this male enhancement supplement, advised to take 2 capsules per day. Or as recommended by your healthcare provider. Let's see the terms of the guarantee of this male enhancement supplement. This supplement is covered by a 180-day, 100% money-back guarantee. This means that after you've ordered this supplement today, you have a full 6 months to decide if it's right for you. If you're like the thousands of people who already take this male enhancement capsules regularly, you'll be thrilled by the breakthrough you experience. But if you're not happy for any reason, simply call or email our customer service team at any time, and you'll get a full refund for your investment with 0 questions asked. After the long research, we 100% recommended this supplement to you. Before you went to purchase this supplement, please visit the discount link mentioned in the description. Our team directly contact the supplier to get this special discount promo for you. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Take a right decision now. Please use this opportunity before the discount code expired. Thanks for watching. All the very best.